Only in Hawaii do they ride motorcycles on the sidewalk. It's a strange time. It's like the Wild West. Those guys are just fucking elevator. There's just like gangs of criminals walking around. It's a strange time in downtown Honolulu. I'm just trying to pick up a couple packages. I guess it'd be a safe place to stop. I mean, to cross. Some left people. Yeah, a lot of people get their feelings hurt around here. Like if you're avoiding them, like my neighbors and shit. Like I don't know, they don't watch the news, I guess. So the bike is the best way to avoid people on the sidewalk. You can avoid things, people in particular, and it's better than public transportation, and also like Uber or Lyft or any car you can just trust. Bike's a lot easier to clean than a big vehicle to disinfect. Alright. Life goes on here. I might go through some hairy area up here. So I might come back in a second. But we only have 3 minutes. Today's April 1st, 2020. I don't want to be an April Fool. The parts should be empty for the first time ever. There'll still be some driveways around here. Get to see law enforcement. See, she doesn't get the memo. Not either. A lot of them are infected. Gotta stay away from the infected. I should wear my hoodie. I got the black hoodie that protects my ears. We're in Chinatown avoiding the Chinese virus. There's fuck, my mask is coming off. Train's